Speed is thrilling, but it's also unforgiving. Whether you're hitting the highway or testing your car's limits, there are mistakes that can turn a fast drive into a dangerous disaster. In this video, we'll uncover the 10 biggest mistakes most drivers make when driving fast. And trust me, some of these could save your life. So buckle up, keep your eyes on the road, and let's make sure your need for speed doesn't turn into a disaster. Mistake number 1. Braking too late or too hard. Braking is not just about stopping, it's about controlling your speed safely. Many drivers make the mistake of waiting too long and then stomping on the brakes, expecting their car to stop instantly. At high speeds, this is a recipe for disaster. Slamming the brakes can cause your car to lose balance, lock up the wheels, or even make you spin out of control. At high speeds, stopping distance also increases dramatically. For example, if you drive at 80 miles per hour, the stopping distance becomes 403 feet. And if you drive at 100 miles per hour, then stopping distance increases to 573 feet. The ideal way is, start braking earlier, apply firm and gradual pressure, and always leave enough space between you and the car ahead. So don't wait until it's too late. Mistake number 2. Ignoring tire health. Tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, yet so many drivers ignore them before pushing their car to high speeds. Low tread depth, uneven wear, or incorrect tire pressure can make your car a ticking time bomb. Imagine hitting 80 or 90 miles per hour, and suddenly one of your tires blows out. Now you're skidding, losing control, and hoping luck is on your side. While in wet conditions, forget it. Bald tires turn your car into a hydroplaning nightmare. Always check your tire pressure and tread depth before you step on that gas pedal. And if you haven't rotated your tires in a while, do it, because at high speeds, tire grip is everything. Mistake number 3. Ignoring road conditions. Speed is one thing, but the surface you're driving on is the game changer. Too many drivers floor it without considering road conditions, and that's how accidents happen. Wet roads, potholes, gravel, or even slight bumps can send a fast-moving car into chaos. Wet roads, for example, reduce tire grip significantly, increasing the chances of hydroplaning if the driver accelerates or brakes too hard. Icy roads make it almost impossible to maintain traction at high speeds. Uneven or damaged roads can cause the car to lose stability if a driver hits a pothole or bump too fast. The key is to adapt speed to the conditions. Just because the road is clear doesn't mean it's safe to push limits. Tires also play a huge role. If they are underinflated or worn out, the risk of losing control skyrockets. A smart driver reads the road ahead and adjusts accordingly, rather than reacting when it's too late. Mistake number 4. Holding the steering wheel incorrectly. This one is more dangerous than people think. Many drivers grip the steering wheel with one hand, or worse, use just their fingertips while cruising at high speeds. That might be fine at slow speeds, but at 80 or 100 miles per hour, you need full control. A slight miscalculation, a sudden pothole, or even a gust of wind can send your car veering off course. The ideal way is, keep your both hands on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock position. This position also keeps hands in the ideal place to make quick corrections if needed. Holding the wheel too loosely can make the car feel unstable, while gripping it too tightly reduces finesse and reaction time. So lock in your grip and take control, because the road isn't as forgiving as you think. Mistake number 5. Not looking far enough ahead. Driving fast shortens reaction time, making it crucial to anticipate what's coming. But a lot of drivers make the mistake of only focusing on the car right in front of them, instead of looking several seconds ahead to spot potential hazards. When driving at high speeds, things happen faster, so any sudden stop, turn, or obstacle can become a serious threat. When driving fast, You should be scanning at least 10 to 12 seconds ahead, watching for brake lights, obstacles, or sudden lane changes. This technique is especially useful on highways where traffic flow changes rapidly. Advanced drivers also use peripheral vision to monitor surroundings while keeping their main focus on the road ahead. The further ahead you look, the more time you have to react safely. Mistake number 6. Overconfidence in technology. Modern cars are packed with high-tech safety features like traction control, stability control, ABS, and lane assist. But these systems cannot defy physics. Some drivers push their cars too hard, assuming these systems will always save them. But at high speeds, even the most advanced systems can't save you. If you take a turn too fast or misjudge your stopping distance, no amount of tech will save you. Such as ABS of your car helps prevent wheel lockup, but it doesn't reduce stopping distance significantly. And here's a shocker. Some systems, like adaptive cruise control, aren't designed for high-speed driving. The safest approach is to respect the car's limits and not rely entirely on electronic systems. These features are assistive, not foolproof replacements for good driving skills. Mistake number 7. Underestimating braking distance. The faster a car goes, the longer it takes to stop, but many drivers misjudge this. Braking distances increase exponentially with speed, meaning stopping from 80 miles per hour takes far longer than stopping from 40 miles per hour. Miscalculating this distance leads to late braking, which can cause rear-end collisions or forces drivers to make unsafe, evasive moves. The safest approach is to brake earlier than expected and leave extra stopping room, especially when following other cars. Knowing the car's braking capabilities, including whether it has performance brakes or standard brakes, helps drivers make better decisions. Reaction time also plays a role. By anticipating stops, drivers can apply brakes smoothly rather than slamming them at the last moment. Mistake number 8. Poor throttle management. One of the most overlooked mistakes when driving fast is poor throttle control, either applying too much gas too quickly or lifting off suddenly. Many drivers slam the accelerator thinking it will give them instant speed, but aggressive throttle inputs can overwhelm the tires, causing them to lose grip. This is especially dangerous in rear-wheel drive cars, where too much throttle can lead to oversteer. On the other hand, suddenly removing the foot from the accelerator at high speeds, especially in the middle of a turn, can cause weight transfer issues. This shifts weight to the front tires, reducing rear grip and potentially causing the car to snap into a slide. Proper throttle control is about gradual and smooth inputs. When accelerating, apply power gradually instead of mashing the pedal. When decelerating, it's better to ease off the throttle smoothly, allowing the car to settle instead of unsettling the balance. This mistake is most noticeable when exiting corners. Mistake number 9. Driving too close to other cars. Tailgating is always dangerous, but at high speeds, it becomes catastrophic. Many drivers don't realize that at high speeds, stopping distances increase dramatically. At 30 miles per hour, you can stop in about 75 feet, but at 80 miles per hour, you need at least 300 feet. Yet, some drivers follow just a few car lengths behind, thinking they can react in time. Spoiler alert, they can't. If the car ahead suddenly brakes, you have no room to escape, and at high speeds, rear-end crashes are devastating. The golden rule is, always leave at least a 3-second gap from the car in front, but if you're going even faster, extend it to 5 seconds. It's not just about reaction time, it's about giving yourself a real chance to avoid disaster. Mistake number 10. Not using engine braking. Many drivers make the mistake of relying only on their brakes to slow down at high speeds and completely ignore the engine braking. This puts extra stress on the braking system and can lead to overheated brakes, worn-out pads, and in extreme cases, total brake failure. The ideal way is follow engine braking technique, which involves letting off the gas and downshifting in a manual car. This technique reduces wear on brake pads and provides a more controlled deceleration. That's all for this video. Avoid these catastrophic mistakes, stay sharp, and most importantly, respect the speed. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up for more expert driving tips. And also, share your experience in the comment section.